Hi guys, I would show you how to open and repair the cylinder of Lexus gx470. It's many videos with Lexus LX or all of Toyotas, but with no one with the GX. As many videos explains, you need to put before you take it out, on other cars you have the dot you push underneath, but on this car Lexus gx470 you have the pushing dot on the top. If I can put some lights, you'll maybe see the hole in the top. There you see the top and the hole. In that hole pushes this button, and then you can release the cylinder out. In other Toyotas the hole is normally on this side. After removing, if you want to repair this cylinder, you need to drill out one of the pins, and the other two pins you can just push out with some kind of nail or something, and then push it out, and then the whole system will be loose and get off. Thank you. This is how it looks like when it's off, like this. On this side it's a clamp you have to remove, and then you put the key in and take out the cylinder to repair it.